camera.
That's really popular now, the dash cams.
Look at this. New York, almost New York.
Yeah, it's very...
Soon it's gonna be very close to New York. They keep on going like this.
I just keep on building.
When they build those right close to the highway, those, I was like shocked. I said, you must be kidding me.
It's a huge population. I think it's like the
Look
fifth
at this.
biggest in North America, Toronto.
And don't buy this if they give me for free.
I know, it's crazy. I don't know who's living there.
There's your own camera.
Disgusting.
So watch what you are saying.
Oh. Forget about saying anything then. No comments. I like those though, right across the lake, like close to the lake. Those are nice, and those two, those with the
these
red,
are great,
those
aren't
are
they?
nice.
These must be expensive. They're such a good location.
Yeah, you have a lake view. Those are nice.
Yeah, they're really nice. I need to get something like that.